Day 10, folks. I'm out here late, but you know, it is what it is. Digging through here for red worms, flipping this, adding water, flipping this, adding water, flipping these, adding water, going over that, spreading them out. Just to keep things consistent, I know the piles aren't going to have a difference in temperature for real, but I'm going to do it anyway. These are very dry. Neighbors jamming for real. But very cool on the inside. I changed the battery so now y'all can see the light. But freaking very cool. Alright. Week plus. Oh, this one hot. Oh, hotter. Alright. Check the inside. Okay. It was cooking in here for real. Oh. It was really cooking in here. It is the first time I figure I can do the twin piles together, you know, why not? Okay. I'm looking at about 80. Close to 80. That was a good one. This one, hotter. Okay, 85. Oh, right at the sun. All right. And looking like not bad. Not bad. It's expected for that pile. And expected for that. Right. Added water to all 4 of these. Now I'm just gonna mix them up, and I'll be back after that. Mixed everything in, well, mixed everything up pretty much. Added water, mixed them up. Went over here, just raked over them and back and forth. Make the wet ones on top, the dry ones on the bottom are mixed in, dry them out some, you know. Everything is raked back into its pile. I might have to start adding some more grass or dry grass to that pile because it's still mushy. Gotta break that up by hand. Doing good, but might add some to that one too. Now, alright, looked all around, flipped it, went through it. Couldn't find any more worms. Looks good though. Like, this is the main goal. What I want all these piles to come out looking like. Small, nice, cool chunks. Easy to break down. Worms have been found in this pile yesterday. It's dry on the outside, cool on the inside, a little bit moist on the inside. So that's where they like to hang out at. Yeah, gonna collect those and start breeding them. So, even got a couple apple seeds or probably mango seeds or something that was planted, thrown in the compost pile. It's cool enough, so I guess they started sprouting on their own. These two. Shout out to my Nelsons. Y'all know why.